Now, the wind tonight will slowly drop off. It's not going to drop off completely, but it's going to be a little less busy than what it was this afternoon. And even as we talk about tomorrow, there'll be less wind as well. So here's the map tonight, 11 o'clock. See how the winds are still gusting up around 30 miles an hour in a few spots. And then as we head through the overnight, they kind of settle down a little bit. And tomorrow, they really don't get that gusty. They're going to be out of the west at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. So that will make tomorrow feel even nicer. And by the time we get to Monday, there's barely a breeze out there to talk about. So right now, you have temperatures which are into the 40s and 30s, upper 40s in a few locations, and upper 30s as you look inland where we had that little bit of snow this morning. It's all circulating around this system right now. It's gone. It's out of here. No, we pay attention to this one. And you look at the rain that's out here, but also keep an eye on that cold front up here to the north, because this cold front is going to kind of keep this storm down to the south and keep most of the rain out of our forecast. So let me show you what's going to happen. First off, tomorrow morning, you wake up 6 a.m., got temperatures in the 30s out there. Chilly morning, but at least the wind won't be howling like it was this morning. And as we go through the afternoon, it warms up very nicely. But notice how we get this deck of clouds coming in late in the day, and temperatures nicely into the mid-50s tomorrow. And then overnight, and this is early Monday morning, see how we got a few scattered showers that are out there? That's because that cold front is sagging its way southward, but it also means it's keeping the main rainmaker out of our forecast. And I think by Monday afternoon, we'll actually stare at a little bit of sunshine, but the colder air will be pushing in. So tonight, clear and breezy, low temperature 26 to 32 degrees. Tomorrow, sunshine and mild. There'll be some late day clouds, and any showers will be after midnight. So the bulk of tomorrow looking really nice, 54 to 60 degrees. But here's what happens. That system out to the west comes in here, but this colder air pushes it down to the south. And that means as this system goes by, the cold air really settles in. So you're going to notice some chilly temperatures in the extended forecast. Let me break it down for you and show you what's going to happen. Tomorrow, about 58 degrees with those light day clouds. And then on Monday, maybe some early showers, and there could even be a few wet snowflakes mixing in with it. About 46 degrees for a high temperature. But you see what happens on Tuesday. Much colder. 28 in the morning, 40 degrees in the afternoon. And we head for Wednesday. It's still kind of a chilly day out there, but the jet stream is going to be changing. So later in the week, the mild air starts flowing in, and look what happens. We're turning milder as we head for Thursday. By Friday, it's a feel of spring, and by the time we get to Saturday, maybe a few clouds, but we should be right around 60 degrees. But you see the difference there. Tuesday it's 40, Saturday it's 60. 20-degree temperature spread. There's going to be a lot of ups and downs this week. First it goes down, but then it goes up by the time we get to next week. That's the latest forecast for right now. I'm meteorologist Mike Wacom.